Main road into Shreveport from North Caddo Parish and Blanchard has been closed to traffic for several months now.
Parish officials say after delays, the project is near completion. NBC6's Alexandra Meacham gives us an update.
Yeah, so Caddo Parish Public Works says Pine Hill Road here should be back open to the public by the end of this month or by the start of September. The parish is spending $800,000 to replace the arch structure on Pine Hill Road. It's been there for 20 years now and will be replaced with a concrete one that'll last 50 years. The project started in May and the road has been closed since then. But the Parish Public Works says due to soil issues and weather conditions, completion keeps getting pushed back. The parish is also completing a general capital overlay on Pine Hill. They wanted to have the road reopened by the start of school on August 24th, but the rain is pushing it back a little further.
It's better to get it done right than it is for us to have to rush through it and then come back and do it later. We hope to have a 50-year solution out there so that the residents in that area, most of them will not ever see that structure under construction again.
The arch is actually the first and only one of its kind in the state. Nearby construction on Roy Road is also taking place in phases to widen the road. It'll allow for bike and pedestrian walkways as more people are walking on Roy Road to get to Walmart and other nearby businesses. So the parish says they're creating the infrastructure now to accommodate business and allow for further growth. And the parish says the efforts to widen Roy Road will take place in phases over the course of the next 3 years. But it's all in an effort to provide more services and accommodate the citizens of Blanchard, because they say Blanchard is the fastest growing part of the parish. Back to you.
All right, Alex, thank you so much.